Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you draw Draco from Brawl Stars. The things you need for this video is going to be your paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget to smash that like or subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. Alright, first thing I'm going to start for our Draco is going to be like the head. So we're going to make this very big. We're going to make a very big circle. Then we're going to draw a line, then another. Alright, then we're going to draw two lines that go down, then two lines in there. Kind of like this. Then we're going to draw some like an oval shape, kinda. I'm going to draw two lines. Because this is kind of going to be like the dragon thing that he holds. And then when he uses it, dragon comes out. So then we're going to draw one finger, two fingers like this, and two fingers like that. Yeah. But he's also holding it at the same time. Then we're gonna draw a line right here for like his hand. And this is gonna be like the sketch kinda. And right here we're gonna draw a line, goes down, and it goes like this. It's kind of like a V, and it's gonna have a line in the middle. Then we're gonna make a line that goes down, another line that goes down, two lines right here. I'm gonna draw a line that goes all the way here, then it goes right there, and it goes up here. I'm gonna draw a line that goes to here, then it goes right here. I'm gonna draw one line, and then like we're gonna draw a half circle on both sides. Then I'm gonna draw like an oval shape inside. Then we're gonna draw kind of like some type of triangle shape. Draw two lines, line right here. Then I'm gonna draw his mouth, which is just gonna be kind of like this. And then his teeth, one like this. And right here. I'm gonna draw his tongue, which is just gonna be you with a line. Right here, you can have like a little like smiley face, but that's just his hair. Then I'm gonna draw two lines right here. I'm gonna draw like a plate shape with just an end to two ends basically. I'm just gonna, so you know, I'm gonna color around it over here so it looks a little bigger. Now right here we're gonna draw a thing that goes in, and then just a little tiny line for his hair, and then I'm gonna color this black just to like, know where you color for when you do. I'm gonna draw a line that curves right there and a line right here for like his finger. I'm just gonna draw kind of like a round box shape. I'm gonna draw just two ends around the circle. Then two like, not really, I'd possibly put like a V, but there's no connected. Now I'm just gonna draw like two U shapes with a circle. Then we're just gonna color around it because one. I'm gonna draw a line right here, a line right here, I'm gonna add a bunch of like spikes, kind of, or like teeth. I'm just gonna curve it. So I'm gonna make a curve shape right here. Then I'm gonna make kind of like a circle, a little line, and an actual circle. Kind of like a little like chain thing to where you can hold. Then we're gonna draw line right here, kind of like a U shape, and then we're just gonna cut. I'm gonna add backwards L, and then we're just gonna add a line for more hair. Then time for his like helmet. And I know in the icon it doesn't really show the helmet, but since I have a lot more space, I'm gonna show the helmet. So I'm gonna draw right here, a line that goes right here, curves around, and then goes up, then with a C shape, it's kind of like an X shape. Then we're gonna draw a big M shape. And I'm just gonna draw a line that goes all the way up. I'm gonna draw a line in the middle. And this one's also gonna curve up. Then we're gonna draw an N shape. And an N shape. Then we're gonna draw two like horns, kinda. Well, not kinda, it is. Then we're gonna draw backwards C. Then another backwards C. Then we're gonna draw that X. So yeah, this is what this. I'm gonna add some hair, kinda, just to stretch it down. Alright, this is what the sketch of your Draco should look like. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward through these outlining. Cause why not? And I will see you guys when I'm done outlining. Alright, this is what the Draco outlining should look like when you're done. I'm going to show you the colors. 1 or 2 reds, 1 or 2 greens, then another 1 or 2, where is that one? 1 or 2 tans, 1 or 2 yellows, and finally, 1 or 2 grays. I'm going to fast forward through all this outlining. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright, I completely forgot to tell you guys this, but you're gonna need to draw a nose, so you're gonna draw a curved end shape and then 2 lines. Pretty simple. you're done, this is what your Draco should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.